В рот. Мыло хоть есть?
Russian sources are confirming Warthog Defense previous report. According to them, Tetkino in Kursk region is cut off, and all bridges over the Seym River are taken out. Tetkino is cut off. There are no crossings or bridges, they write. They add that the enemy tries to develop success in the direction of Zhuravli-Kremyano and then intends to go to Koronevo. There are various numbers circulating about the remaining contingent of Russian forces. Estimates go between 1,000 and 3,000 Russian forces that are now blocked south of the Seym River. The Ukrainian forces are present in Nechayev and Nizhnyaya Parovaya in the Kursk region and high likely controls it. Geolocated footage shared by Russian sources show Ukrainian positions north of both towns being attacked. Recently, Russians already confirmed the Ukrainian forces was operating close to both towns. And this is what we are talking about. HIMARS strikes on the Russian pontoon crossings over the Seym River in the Kursk region. Russian locals as well as Russian soldiers are looting stores in Rilsk, a city currently under Kremlin control. Ukrainian forces are entrenched in Koronevo, about 20 kilometers southeast. Kremlin's well-kept secret that most Russians live in abject poverty is unraveling.
Да, хорошо свои обнесли.
Let us recall all Russian oil refineries that have been targeted by Ukrainian drones in the last 3 months. June 2nd. Fire in the reservoir tank storage of the oil refinery in Ukhta, Komi Republic. June 6th. Night drone attacks on oil refineries in Belgorod and Rostov regions. June 20th. Platonovskaya oil depot in Tambov region went on fire after a drone attack. June 20th. On the same day, a fire broke out at the Lukoil Yuknefteprodukt oil refinery in the village of Enem in Krasnodar Krai. June 21st. Ukrainian armed forces attacked Afipsky, Ilsky, Krasnodarakonneft, and Astrakhan refineries with drones. July 13th. A drone attack on an oil depot in Semlyansky district, Rostov region. July 22nd. Tuapse refinery was attacked twice. July 27th. An oil refinery near Ryazan was attacked at night. August 1st. A major Russian refinery in Omsk caught fire. August 18th. The fire at the Kavkaz oil depot near the town of Proletarsk, Rostov region, has been ongoing for the 11th day now. August 28th. The Atlas oil depot in the Rostov region and the Zenit oil depot in the Kirov region were hit by the armed forces. A soldier of the Ukrainian Safari Regiment fires a shot from a grenade launcher at a building with Russian infantry in the city of Toretsk, Donetsk region. There are ongoing street battles. This video explains the term special military operation and why the Kremlin avoids using the word war.
Я удивился, когда решил узнать определение термина «специальная военная операция». А решил я это загуглить, потому что термин звучит как что-то короткое, а не как трехлетняя война. И оказалось, что этого термина вообще не существовало до войны в Украине. Я думал, что я просто тогда впервые его услышал, а его вообще не было до этого. Короче, это эвфемизм, введенный властями России. И это единственный термин, обозначающий вторжение в Украину, который разрешен российской цензурой. Но для чего это вообще придумали? Использование этого нового термина создает впечатление о чем-то менее серьезном, чем военный конфликт или война. Потому что слово «война» ассоциируется с более серьезными последствиями и большим количеством человеческих жертв. И поэтому это слово использовать психологически неприемлемо для большинства россиян. Что интересно, использование эвфемизмов для описания военных конфликтов конфликтов использовалось в СССР и в России еще до вторжения в Украину. Вот несколько примеров. Советское вторжение в Польшу 1939 года называли «освободительный поход». Вторжение в Чехословакию 1968 года – «дружеская помощь братскому народу Чехословакии». Афганская война – введение ограниченного контингента советских войск в Афганистан. Первая чеченская война называлась «Операция по восстановлению конституционного порядка в Чечне». Война в Грузии 2008 года называлась «Специальная операция по принуждению к миру». Подобные эвфемизмы использовали и другие страны, не только Россия. Такой вот дешевый манипулятивный ход, но, к сожалению, рабочий.
Ukraine can use Dutch F-16s for strikes against Russia, said Netherlands. We have not imposed any restrictions on the use and range of the F-16s, provided that the laws of war are observed, said Royal Netherlands Air Force General Onno. Dutch Minister of Defense Ruben Brekelmans later made a similar statement. The law of war states that if Ukraine is attacked from the Russian side, Ukraine may also attack military targets. For the F-16s, that would mean that if a missile is fired from Russia, for example, you can intercept it with an F-16 over Russia as well, he said. The minister also added that air bases from which Russian fighter jets take off and from which bombs are fired are also legitimate targets within the law of war. Kursk operation is ongoing, and at least 3 cars from Car for Ukraine are actively involved. The team received an urgent request for 2 superpowered trucks. Join and help hold the front line. In the meantime, you can see some progress updates on the medics campaign you've helped to boost. Check out car4ukraine.com/campaigns for more. The link is in the description.
Hello Warthog Defense audience, Ivan from Car for Ukraine here. Thank you all very much for supporting the medics campaign. We've already got 2 of the cars in Lviv and we're going to send them to the front line very soon. In the meantime, I'm sure you all follow the Kursk operation, where we've managed to verify 3 of our cars being actively used there. And we've just received an urgent request to get 2 super-powered trucks to the front line over there as well. You can learn more about that at car4ukraine.com/campaigns. The campaign is called Superpowered Trucks. Help our guys to do their job, and let's make more Russians a little bit sad. Thank you, and together to our shared victory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.